Okay, so today I'm using the program StoryJumper, and in the program StoryJumper, it gives you a class code and a class password, and you as the teacher can add students. So I've added 3 pretend students. Here they are. They each have a username so that they can log in with that username, and they have a password that's their classroom password. So they will be able to access StoryJumper in order to work on their assignments through this username and password. And then here, to use at home, you can email the parents. So that is the way that you could contact the parents and help the students to be able to use it at home. And so you would just go ahead and click on that link, and then you would enter in the parent's email address and then start the approval process. And so that is how you could let your students work on their books at home as well. So that's how you do it.